Good morning and welcome to the installation of this Sona Skylight blind. We're going to be fitting a white pleated blind to give some relief from this heat and sun. Okay, so we fitted the end rails. Okay, so we're all done. We've installed the 4 perimeter tracks to hold the blind and let it rest on there. We've installed the motor, we've installed the solar panel, and we've got the handset, so let's try it.
This is in a dim out fabric, so it will be light filtering and let some daylight through, but just get you away from the glare of the sun, especially in the middle of the day. This should really cool down this kitchen diner area for this lovely client. I can feel the difference already. So we can fast forward this bit. I'll just keep talking, but we're going to fast forward all this. I'll go blah, 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 to the end. And then when it's almost drawn, then I'll do a closing thing, make sure the camera's on me. Okay,
so another successful installation of a Sona powered lantern blind, and the difference already is quite amazing. It's a lot cooler straight out of the glare of the midday sun. So yeah, if a Sona Skylight blind is of any interest to you, give me a call 01902 375555. Thank you.